Hello everyone, today I will introduce the Ford credit card login page, and as you see I am on the login page now for Ford website, and as you see it is not a credit card login page, it is a Ford account login page for Ford customers. But I think after logging your Ford account, you can see your credit card information. So I opened login.ford.com and open the sign in page here. And if you don't have an account on ford.com, you need to click account button here, and then you can see a new page like that, and you need to type your email address, and then you need to verify your email and create your password. So let's talk about what is the Ford Ford credit card. This card is also known as Ford Pass Rewards card. So with the Ford Pass Rewards Visa card, you will earn Ford Pass Rewards points on every purchase made with the card, and the points that you earn can be redeemed towards discounts on Ford purchases such as your next Ford vehicle, Ford service or maintenance, and Ford parts. And there is no annual fee for using this credit card, and it can be used everywhere the Visa is accepted. So it's really easy to have this card, and I think if you have a Ford vehicle, you need to have this card to uh, gain rewards, and you can use this points after for your Ford vehicle maintenance and parts. So thank you for watching, and see you bye. Please like and share my videos. See you bye.